Hello everyone, let us solve this easy word problem before us. The question says a man is three times as old as his son. Full stop. 10 years ago, the sum of their ages is 60 years. How old is the man now? So this is a very simple word problem. And to get the man's age, the question says the man is three times old as his son. In other words, we don't know their ages. So we are looking for the age of the man and we don't know the age of his son. So to get the age of the man, we'll give x to the son's age. So let x be equal to the son's age. So if x is equal to the son's age, the question says that the man is three times as old as his son. Meaning that what? The man's age will now be what? 3x, because the man is three times older than the son. So the man's age will now be what? 3x. 3x is equal to the man's age. So if the son's age is x, that means that the man is three times older than the son. So the man's age will be 3x. And now it says 10 years ago. So let us look at what happened 10 years ago. 10 years, 10 years. 10 years ago, the sum of their ages is 60. Meaning that if this x will now be what? X minus 6, x minus 10. X minus 10. Because 10 years ago, the sum of their ages is 60. So x minus 10 is equal to the son's age. So then 3x minus 10. 3x minus 10 is equal to the man's age. And it says that the sum of their ages is 60 years. So the sum of their ages 10 years ago is 60. So we'll just add this and sum it up with 60. So x plus 3x is 4x. 4x minus 10 plus minus 10 will give us what? Minus 20. Minus 10 plus minus 10 will give us minus 20. Is equal to 60 because the sum of their ages 10 years ago is 60. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to collect like terms here. And for us to collect like term, numbers will go with number, while this will stand on its own. And as this minus 20 is crossing over to the next side, it becomes plus 20. So that will be what? 4x is equal to 60 plus 20. 60 plus 20. And 60 plus 20 will give us 80. So 4x is equal to 80. Now to get the value of x, what do? We divide this 80 with 4. To get the value of this x, we divide 80 with 4. So x is equal to 80 divided by 4. And if 80 divides 4, what is it going to give us? It will give us what? 20. 80 divided by 4 will give us 20. So x is what? 20. Because 80 divided by 4 will give us 20. So x is equal to 20. So that means that the son's age is what? 20. Now it says that the man is three times as old as the son, which means that if in order for us to get the man's age, we'll do 20 multiplied by 3. And if 20 multiplied 3, that will give us what? 60. So the man's age is now 60 and the son's age is 20. Now if we want to verify if this is correct, we can actually substitute 10 from their ages to verify, because 10 years ago, so we will now do 20 minus this 10 years ago, the sum of the ages is 60. So if we subtract 10 from here, it will give us 10. And if we subtract 10 from here, it will give us 50. 10 plus 50 will give us 60. And 10 years ago, the sum of the ages is 60. So this 10 plus 50 will give us 60. So this illustration works perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below your screen. Thank you.